So if you're sitting on about 3,000 XRP, I will say it's a good start, but if you're trying to get rich with it, especially in this next cycle of XRP moon shipping, it's really not going to be enough. Now, I've got an article I want to go over here on fxstreet.com, which is actually a pretty good website for crypto analysis, and they've got a recent article on the Binance US victory against the SEC, which makes XRP holders visualize a win of their own. Now, there is actually a bullish target in this article of $30 for XRP if Ripple wins the SEC case, which is actually pretty awesome. You know, I've said that I believe we're going to see an XRP price anywhere from like $4 to $13, somewhere in that range. And I think what's going to happen is that, you know, once this case is over, XRP is just going to shoot up, and obviously it's going to have a retrace. But you know, me personally, I don't plan on selling anything. You know, I've got my bags packed, and, you know, if you're holding anywhere around like 3,000 coins or maybe trying to stack some more, you know, you should be setting up recurring buys, not financial advice. But, you know, for example, let's say that for XRP hitting $30, you've got, you know, 3,000 coins. It's a decent return you're going to get, but it's not going to be life-changing, right? Maybe enough to buy a car or something like that. You know, the truth is, and I've been saying this quite a bit, is that you really need to be holding anywhere from like 50 to 100,000 XRP to get rich, you know, especially in the next couple of years, in my opinion. Once again, more like 100,000 plus, but, you know, it is what it is. It's whatever you can afford. Plus, you also have to look at this like, what's your time horizon? You know, how many years can you afford to just sit back on XRP and, you know, just let it grow and, you know, accumulate more? Maybe you just average into it as the price increases over the next, you know, few years. Anyways, this article was interesting, though, because, you know, Binance US is still going to be operating in the US after the court ruled in favor of Binance.com's petition to transfer all assets belonging to the U.S. subsidiary to new wallets. The wallets be under the sole control of executives at the U.S.-based entity, which means the ruling severs the link of control between the two entities. So, yeah, I think it's actually a big deal here. What's kind of sad is I have a Binance US account, and I actually withdrew the money I had in there because I was like, okay, if the SEC is coming after Binance and Binance US, obviously I don't want my money to get frozen in there. So I actually took it out. And then Binance US sent an email and basically an update saying that withdrawals are going to be unavailable for all you United States users on this date. I think it was like June 13th or something. But, you know, this is good news overall for Binance US users. But like I said, I took my money out of it, so I don't really have anything. But back to what they're saying in this article, you know, as I'm scrolling through it, I'll actually link this up below in the description if you guys want to take a look at it. But it just basically is going over the price increase for XRP in the next 3 to 4 months. Could push its value anywhere between $10 and $30 if the case goes in Ripple's favor. Could you imagine that? I can't. You know, I'm holding around, I want to say like maybe 215,000 coins. Maybe it's like 220,000 coins of XRP. And I'm not saying that to brag. I've been, you know, buying this coin for like, and holding this coin for like 6 years. That's a really long time. And obviously I bought some big chunks at different times because the price, honestly, it's been under 50 cents for so long. I think it's under 50 cents right now as I'm going over this, but, you know, really anything under $1, in my opinion, right now in XRP is just a really good buy, especially just averaging into it. You know, let's say, once again, you know, you don't have like a ton of it, really under 10,000 coins. It's always a good starting point, but, you know, you should be adding more. And I just think anything under $1, as long as you're averaging into it right now, you're going to get a good return on it, you know. But obviously, becoming a millionaire with a smaller bag is going to be harder, just going to take a lot longer. Okay, I always like to show you guys, you know, I don't just talk about XRP. I do stack and pack, and I have been, you know, adding more on Uphold. This is one of the only places in the U.S. where you can actually buy it right now. I think KuCoin's another one. I don't use them, but, you know, I keep a nice chunk here, as you can see. But most of my XRP is on offline wallets. It's not actually on the exchange, but I trust Uphold, and they got good security, all that good stuff. And of course, if you guys do want to stack and pack some more, we'll have some bonuses, resources, and all that good stuff below if you want to get started on Uphold. Also, feel free to comment me about them, but nothing but a good experience. Okay, last thing I want to do here is wrap it up with some other coin recommendations. Obviously, if you're watching this video, you love XRP, but you should diversify a little bit. And I want to go over 3 coins that I think are super undervalued right now as well. One of them is Uniswap. Now, what's interesting is we're seeing all of these things going on with cryptocurrency exchanges, and it just seems like it's sort of like, the government's attacking all these different exchanges. But Uniswap, it's a decentralized exchange. So basically the way it works is you connect your wallet to it. You can start making some trades. It's not centralized like a Coinbase or Binance. And the benefit is you have a lot more coins that you can trade, and the fees are actually a lot lower. In Uniswap, I use them quite a bit. I use Sushi Swap as well, and Pancake Swap is another one you guys could check out. But the price on this, I just feel like it's super undervalued. You could probably get, a 4 to 10x return on this in the next couple of years, in my opinion. I just think that, Uniswap's doing big things. Okay, second is Kronos. Now, Kronos is the Crypto.com coin. And out of all the exchange coins right now, I think this is definitely the most undervalued. I could see a 20x return on this, especially in the next couple of years. If you look at where the Binance coin is, I think Crypto.com has the opportunity to do something similar. Now, we all know about the FTX disaster. We know Coinbase is taking flack from the SEC. Crypto.com, even though they're somewhat in the same vein as like a Coinbase, I just think that they're doing things right. And, at 5 cents, it's a great deal. Okay, last up, we've got Decentraland. Now, there's been some bad press for Decentraland lately, I think it got delisted on some exchanges, but doesn't really matter. I love what they're doing here. Atari is a big investor in them. They're in the online gambling space now, in the cryptoverse. They do virtual real estate, and they're growing their ecosystem of users, and the marketplace is also growing. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed another quick update here on XRP and some more coins. Of course, don't forget to subscribe. As always, thanks for watching it. We'll see you all in the next crypto video.